happened to her?
Aren't you supposed to be home studying?
Yeah, I guess I should be.
What were you looking at there?
Just some dorm room ideas.
Oh, I see. I hope you like what you've gotten yourself into.
Savannah, they found me. It's okay. Alright, we have to get out of here. Come on, go up there. I can't. You have to. I'm too weak. This is a matter of life or death. We have to go through the ceiling or else we're not gonna get out. Ow. I can't make it. Come on, almost there. Hello? I'd like to report that I have found a missing person.
Oh, girls! What? What? No! No! God! God! No! No! She was right there! Are y'all filming? Shit!